What I'm saying is you should feed your more at least once a year, right? Your chi is you, guy. You are the one who's supposed to feed your chi by yourself and eat the thing, not when you now feed it. And that man will feed it for you. And that man that has his own kenga, his own pennies to feed your chi for you. Then you will now eat it because you are giving somebody your chi to feed for you. Like it's your chi or it's your personal more, right? Now you supposed to do am guy. But that's in now Chibueze religion. You get so do your thing, do whatever you and your spirit wants to do. Maybe your spirit doesn't want to collect food from your hand. So yeah, fuck or I mean, like make everybody else do whatever the fuck they want to do. They're way and more agree. So you should be the one feeding your mom yourself. You can always bring Ogidisi on the ground and you know what I'm saying? Go about again, may feature, remember, sacrifice your items there, like some form of medium to perform the sacrifice. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Like now, just put some ogirisi now. Ogirisi will day for ground. That's if you have to. If you have to, you put a stump of ogirisi in this rainy season, and do your thing there. Go the over there. Sad the alcohol ogirisi there. Do try the aja. Offer the things in exchange you want offer, right? Well, that you go guys, you probably need somebody there with you for that first time to get um the concept of offering something, not as if that thing is anything, but as a form of communication, right? Like it helps you when you can always say Obiocha Kanji Abiakuto mom without having Nzu in your hand. Like you can always say, Wele dozielum ife, dopulum ndi ojo, dotalum. You can always say those things without edu. You get? Now just say, if I use water now, they do go now, they do million dollars, million tanazon, iroma, iloma, mbona akoma, right? I know I go probably forget to say to do that significance of Nenunzu Welia Wepolum no Ubiocha Kanja Bekutegi. Like you get your mono need that Nzu. Who the hell is the Nzu? You understand? In something that you used to carry Nzu before your mom can know Obiocha can know Obiocha about you. Yeah, like because me, I feel like your chi is that you that you see in the dream, right? So, is there any insu that your chi is using to show Obiocha to order more? I don't know. Maybe no, nothing like that, guy. Like if you just do now, your mom will just go meet another person more where they vibrate at a good frequency for you. Kind of why you guys align with your mom for your best intention, for your best outcomes rather. Align with your mom for your best outcomes. So your mom will just bring good things for you. Omomo. Ekwa omomo. Mono no omomo. Arobina ago. Na the spirits in the forest that you people have that is there for your guy. Shit is crazy, guy, but that's just what it is. It's just fucking exchange this guy. Like so now you feel talk anything, if you carry that water, do everything, offer them that water, say you deal with them. Kind of the main thing. Say they get you will be the real estate are the most valuable thing to more. The way we more you way more are the most valuable thing to you. Now so you now will be the real estate. You now way they like this now, way they physical now. The way the real estate. Now so you now be the most valuable thing to them. So any other thing guy now as mafia with you, you this deal went to I want to give you Louis the 13, right? Just give you a cask of some premium Hennessy as a present for not Hennessy, right? I mean brandy for a you know what I'm saying billion business deal that went like I just give you a 4 million naira present or something. You get one. And I just waiting be that same bill guy. You know guys do don't know who you be. Now only if you quickly or on. So you know what I'm saying? We could just do still show out. After all, if you just be good husband to your wife, she go dey chill oh, but if you come still go buy am G wagon and the you know what I'm saying, bro, it don't turn too much stuff, guy. So um then after you do that, after you offer the things you want to offer, right? Which is basically you raise the chicken, you kill
Okay.
it, or goat, kill it, or offer the blood, right? On
Like
that your
as I
ritual
start to cook.
site. You whilst you're offering the blood, you're speaking. Barito Kamaka, right? You'll be speaking. Obala, you know what I'm saying? Obala. Eko Obala na-enye unu. Ehe. Ọkwa ọbala bụ ndụ. Nọọ ka m wee chee unu ndụ. Eh, nọọ nọọ revitalize ka m bịa ịgọ unu bụ mmụọ m na mma m n'unu nọ na unu kwụnyere m. Like na ka isi akwasa ọbara a na nkịta na-akwasị na-enye ya anị nọọ nọọkwa ọbara ewu a ka a ya akwasa na na ọbụla ọbara gị na ọbụla ọbara nne gị ọbụla ọbara nna gị ọbụla ọbara your loved ones, right? You know what I'm saying? Just say things about blood. Say this blood now na the beginning of life, the first part of life, the essence of life. As you dey offer am to them now, make they offer you essence of life. Make they pour the spiritual essence of life pour inside you. Like make they teach you, no be some religious shit, make they teach you pattern. You know what I'm saying? Onya bụ na Igbo niile bụ dibia, right? Like your inwe mmụọ nke ebu iwelu anụ nkịta je gbuolu chi gị. Just there's just this physical and spiritual barrier thing, right? In there with you and they bring things for you once you connect to your guy. Just the way we spirit is nine just the way we the physical day, nine the spiritual day, oh, bro. Like shit is crazy. Like I mean, obviously not like just it exists is what I'm saying. More. So
Thank you.
now you
What
finished
do
offering the blood of the goats, right?
action?
You can cut the leg and maybe the right leg, right? You can cut the right leg and say they should use this, like like cut off maybe a hoof or something because you guys are still going to eat that meat when you cook it as salaka. So you can cut off
Are
maybe
you?
like the hoof, right? Maybe a hoof or something, like and put it in the ritual side that you should use this leg now and go jelly gija. You know what I'm saying? If it were like Ikenga
They're
rice,
not cooking.
they would even cut off the aba of the
Are you ready?
goat and put it in the left hand of the man because that is Aki Ikenga. Yeah. They'll put it and they'll drag his
Are
hand
you ready?
outside the coffin, put that agbo ewu Ikenga, be agbo ebu Ikenga. Yeah. I don't really know that one. Then they will tie his hand on top of that coffin. His hand will go up,
Look at the
will
camera.
go into the ground like that with that agbo ewu Ikenga in his hand. Yeah. By the way, you should see the rites that happened before this Abue weekend is done. Like you should see the rites before the killing, before the savage
Let's
killing
go.
of the weekend.
I wanna.
Like the DBR will
What
carry the
was it now? I'm
things.
on.
I have a video of it, but I'll have to find it from people because I deleted it when I didn't have like a big memory phone. Yeah. Um, DBR will
One
carry
time,
it to
let's go.
run with para, like
Ah,
go outside like this guy, go like carry am for him teeth to go do some matcha like then him go come whether na dibia or like my grandfather apparently he used to do it for people. He used to be the king because he died at like one okongu guardian onwugaji igbo adimma igbo adimma onwugaji the grandson of onwugaji
action.
the son of onwugaji rather the
Just
grandson of ezedigo. I know my
are you ready?
generation, so at least the sixth
Just enter. Go get
generation,
time for
right?
quick.
Yeah, and
Look at the camera.
that should be the goal, guy. If you trace them, if you work around, like you get
Look at the camera.
all these things, just small things. So where was I? My father, my grandfather used to tracing back. Let's just go back to the sacrifice part.
I don't say
You
it.
don't. So if not for a Kenga right, they go put the thing like
Are you
that
ready? Are
time
you
with
ready?
Omu. Then they'll carry the Kenga body, go do some para for road. Then they'll come put am for ground like that with his hand outside his coffin and with a weekend tied to it. And whew, what the fuck am I doing? The holes on top of his
Action.
eyes, the coffin holes on top of his eyes will be open, will be punctured, and blood will be poured into his eye. Blood of why the blood that's even the shit, sir. Blood of the ebunu or the goat. That thing is not a goat, that thing is ebunu. Is ebunu. Uh-huh. Blood of the ebunu. Yeah, ebunu ikenga will be poured into the ikenga's eyes, the aged ikenga's eyes. The blood of the ebunu while they are of course doing their incantations on. Now when you cook ebunu ikenga or those kind of things now, or or that he has even given his what he's due as ikengi Igbo. Ikengi Igbo, maka ife bụ ikengi Igbo, nna bụ chi o, and
Action.
nna ikenga bụ chi. Guy, you don't understand. So anybody will actually get that honor, get with him, in get spiritual significance. So that's a different aja. So you you just do the things that are doing after you now so that's it. What you cut from
Okay,
the
let's go.
head is obviously that's this thing now. But if you still want, you can cut the nose and give to your mom and use it on top. If you want, you can plug the eye and you do it and use it to do anything you can do with your mom. The important thing is if you have a spiritual agent, then na why Ingo dey sharp. If na you, the pattern your mom so that you fit program them anytime, yeah. You fit program them anytime. You fit no be say you can't go the use guy. This thing now the computer language of more guy. That everybody, every Igbo person gats know how to do. You know, understand? Every Igbo person gats be programmer. Guy. Everybody in this computer age now, every Igbo person, ideally for the Igbo nation, ideally everybody gats be programmer. Guy, that's just the shit. Igbo ni nebudibia guy. So make anybody on asking, they mad. I did tell people this thing, fuckers, all these fucking smart asses, really
Action.
fucking Twitter, go just be telling nonsense.
Yes,
It's
action.
on and the think
No,
on some
when
fuck
they
shit.
can me
Make
fix
me
it,
and
fix
I start
action.
to explain, say in this special. Say in this special, say no one if you receive message for the world. They don't serve anything there. Obviously there is work to be done. I'm not even factoring it. I'm factoring that I'm working with fucking determined people that the people I'm talking to are fucking determined people that just want to fucking work. They just need the fucking work. They just want the fucking direction. Like, right? Just not and fuck that shit. I just want to get my money, guy. But they just need make me tell them, say, see this shit. No be some fuckers when no one work on their possible top potential higher their highest human potential development. You know what I'm saying? I don't get time for those kind of people. Now, any fucking body when you are cut them off. Anybody we now when no one work on the highest human potential development, they are fucking cut them off. God help me. Chuku help me. Fuck that shit. I will crop that part out. Chuku help me. Uga Chuku and Ikenga Ekwinsu help me. Aro help me. Eh? And any of them you know I'm gonna get for already said.
Yeah,
So
let's
where
go.
was
Like
I?
that.
Yeah, you have a this thing, right? You have a an agent that takes whatever it is that you offer. So anything you want, if you want to carry the whole animal and you put in the ground when you are doing your chi ritual, but no, you have to eat with your chi. That's why it's you and your chi that are
Nice.
supposed to eat.
Just play here, play around here.
Ideally, even if you kill a goat or a cow, there's still like a chicken or something that they have fed so far that you will use to butcher the
Just do
cow
recording. One.
and eat only yourself, right? So
Open up
that
and do something.
you know what I'm saying. But
Follow the
obviously you
song. Follow
can
the song.
even that salaka thing guy. I don't know. Eh. I mean so that other people can eat the goat, right? You know what I mean? Yeah, but obviously guy, I don't know. I don't know how you go just I mean for the average people, you know before rich people or something. How you go just kill chicken, you know go just chop on with your family members. So you guys tell your mom making do make him bring resources for that kind of luxury. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, you can do anything with the body as you wish. After you finish cutting off the parts that you want, you pour up hot drink there, like, right? And say what you want to say. Maybe hot drink is mmanya ọkụ ka eji a networking aka. Or mmanya ọkụ ka eji a mago. Mmanya ọkụ ka eji come on. Your Zeus followed me. Yeah. Oh, he just likes my post actually. But somewhere in my head, I already they saying follow me. Hey, so I tell you, guy, bro, bro, so I mean, this shit is crazy. This investing, they crazy, guy. So, bro, like, you understand, everybody guys been on programmer. So you carry that hot drink, talk anything will come your head. Say you want to talk
Awful.
to your father as like ni man guy, your sixth generation grandfather. Ma ọ dịghị ya abịa. No ife iji wee were nkwụ ọkụ a wee bịakwute ya, no ife iji abịa afọ okenye. Sikwa ya n'ọkụ n'aka mana
Go back, go back,
sikwa
go
ya
back,
were nkwụ
go
ọkụ
back,
a
go, go,
jee
go.
gbaa
Keep coming.
ndị
I'm recording
ndị
action.
ọbụla, which is like that your spirit should take
Ezugo.
hot drink
Don't ever look
and
at my
go
camera
to
again.
the
Don't ever look at my
human
camera.
being that
Come,
wants
come,
to
come,
think
come, come,
bad
come.
of
Oh, yeah.
you, and obviously that person's human being, your spirit can win them in court, right? In the defense of, is there any defense? If there is there any reason why we should be defending this guy that is fucking up? So Ngofi presents a problem to them. So you use that hot drink because their spirit has been won, right? And so you use that hot drink, offer your tell them say me when I use chalk or me when I use say now waiting they use this thing. Then say me they
I
still
love
use and go do
it. I
that
love
one.
it.
Of person will do you bad, no be me just use and
Ọdọọmọ,
upon the send voodoo spell.
ọdọọmọ, holy,
To go
holy,
to go be bad Amos. I need the qual, I need the guy. Fuck that. That's fucking right. So what am I saying from?
Let's go, go. Go back, go back, go, 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 go. There.
Yeah.
I'm
So
whatever.
you offer if it's
Can
yeah,
we stop
it's
there?
just your tea, right?
Go
So
back, go back,
maybe
keep
you
going
offer
back.
palm wine,
Keep
then you
going back,
offer
keep going
hot
back.
drink.
I don't want to see you.
Yeah, no, I mean you would have done.
Go, hide,
You
hide,
see
hide.
what I'm saying? There is no this thing is just the
Hide,
standard.
hide, hide, hide. Go, go, go,
There
go, go.
isn't exactly
Come.
some order
Fast,
to
come.
it. There should not be. But all if eji wee nwekwa otu obodo si eme ihe, there is some
There.
unity in no otu obodo
No,
si
you got
eme
to go,
ihe.
go, go,
So
go to the song. Go
you
back to
might
the
want to
song.
stick to that.
There.
Where I'm at is that you've eaten cola in the traditional one, right? You probably use water to say some what stuff about water, offered water to all your people, including your water people, right? And
Make sure you're on the
I'm
song.
saying maybe yeah. I mean this one is for maybe if you are feeding young DHA. You know many of these our current grandfathers smoked to inhaled tobacco, right? Amor, is it amor? Utaba, right? So you can yeah offer that maybe when you're feeding your onion, which by the way you do not have to know his name, but it's to be good if you know his name.
Face
But
me.
if you just make a connection and say onion, you know what I'm saying? Onion, you knows who you are. Your chi knows who you are. Knows you obviously. You know yourself, right? So as much as you know yourself, probably your only really know who you are. You know what I'm saying? Alusigi money. Alusi can get money. Ikenga which can usually come in the dream as arm itself, like
Production.
a penis,
I
a
like
car, a phones actually phone. Yeah. So your mom knows who you are, right? So you can just
I
call
want to
them
see the
and
day.
just say, "You, on your one, here's this." Whether you know who he is exactly or not, you just focus on your fucking life, guy. You know what I'm saying? And on your ego more, fam, and keeping your own soul, which can change by the way. Your own soul is not You must like you can decide that you can risk it and you can find out that it's not bad for you. That's on you and your own guy. Sure.
You are not in the spirit. I love it. I love it. I love it. You are not in the spirit. Ezumezu.
So, bro, like what we've been on is
Start
how
from
to
there.
feed your umo, right? How to offer stuff to your umo. So usually you keep that ugili that's because this is your land. You don't want your umo to be living in another man's house, right? Because you now might
Don't
just
give
be
me inside.
living in
Face
another
me.
man's house for your umo. So, I mean, when you can, right? And that's the first thing you should be saying them because what I want or when more. So what I want on you do more. You know what I'm saying? So that's I additional to them more, you know. Then so in that ogilisi you do these things enwere ike ịkata akwụkwọ enwere ike ịkata akwụkwọ ọ bụrụ na ịfụ akwụkwọ ihe ịghọtago o nwesịa oisi nwesị significance n'Igbo especially oisi mmụọ gasị ọgasị significant
Anyị bụ
of
mmadụ na mmadụ
maybe
face
ịmụnye
us. Face
incense
us.
n'ebe ahụ incense bụ as your spirit leads onwe ndị ya feel na ha nwee mmụọ
I
nwanyị
love it.
right so you come by the one of mmụọ nwanyị this particular part na my nwunye wey we sell one of my as in my umunna wives right she sells um, spiritual materials at our Ileku. So she actually gave me this insight. What was insight?
I love it.
So yeah, I say you know when they went more wine, when they went maybe Udo. So more nwoke right?
Thank you.
Onye ama ụdị incense ọ chọrọ ịgwa onwe ndị bụ nke mostly from nwaanyị. Like get one where they on for this my room like this one.
Do it, sing it, sing it.
Then me they like Uduku. You know what I'm saying? So I use Uduku. Uduku stocks will go high one day, guy. Because the way we niggas they pop that niggas you just go day into more of outside of processed incense, right? That's their business. So me, I like Uduku. Well, so you know if you feel saying I'm more my way, your predominant more maybe like Ugugu, maybe your mother side equal more. You know what I'm saying?
Do it like that again.
So if you know saying I'm more maybe if you buy the ones way you study or the attendant show you say I'm more perfume incense with that. You come Ingo they elite for that place, bro. Or maybe you just buy Utuku or you buy male incense, all these 999 and 777 or the phone here. I don't really big fan of now just this female incense when you are the fit for the elite. Right, so and I don't even give like myself. I just put up like say women like waiting they like. For real. Like waiting they like. Ọdún mmiri otu mụ asị ghọta ọdún mmiri bụ gị nwa ije na that altar unu nwe that place na gị na mmụọ mmiri gị nwekọ ebe ahụ na si mmụọ gị na nekwa obi ọcha ka m ji bịakwute gị yọta were nzu na in exchange mmụọ just like wetin they like and why like wetin they like that. Why nwoke like wetin he like as well because if you're a king that they do things for you, they do things for you, they do things for you, guy. What you went as lucky on oya with ebu nefi yota maybe the buffalo where you fit buy from fucking Argentina or something. You just bully a king gaga yota no matter. So I guess everybody my phone are like. So me, I feel say if now more care they go talk to guy. See, I feel just carry
I'm wearing this. I
maybe
don't worry.
just go there, go tell him, say yo,
Enjoy.
guy, na
Do what
clean
you're doing.
heart I come, or I take this hot drink. But guy, that thing now just about with he got he otwisi wega o. Otwisi wega guy, makama na mom my Arobinago, the family where I belong to, right?
Thank you.
My our Arobinago guy, yeah, come on. In they do things, so say less, right?
Are you ready?
Then, bro, after you're done
Always face me,
sacrificing
please.
things, offering things, right? You will now carry the meat and go and
Just
cook,
look at me now. Look at the camera now.
right? Even like you can use anything, guy. You can use anything. The Fanta, right? You can use it. You can use well, no, you can use say palm wine because you already offer palm wine to more wine. You go and boil the meat with without oil. You don't put oil in it. You boil the meat with the goats,
Play with me.
or you can
Play with
maybe if
camera.
the
Play with
meat
camera. Play
is
for
like
camera.
big and they are not, you don't want it to finish
Can I sit
badly.
there though?
You might cut out a piece and Miami is my point, and then you use the rest to do to cook that yam that you cooked or whatever else it was like, and then you bring it out and bring it out with the drinks that you brought for that event for the salaka for the post sacrifice salaka. Then you will then you cut out you take piece of it, maybe you take the tongue and tell them to be you take the tongue because it's your chi. You take the tongue, you bite a piece and you give the more a piece,
Shall you go?
your chi a piece and say this is a communion between you people.
Well, I can blame
That
here.
as you
I
are
like
eating
you.
this now, that you should go and be speaking
I
for
go.
you. Know what I'm saying? Ile. Ajili na kubeli gina imisho kubeli gina mo. Kubeze for you. More ablong yeah. Basically, in the favorable for you from to speak for you, cut out the eye or something and say make you know what I mean. Create exchanges from Barito Kamaka and Oka Ajoka but Barito Kamaka. So fam, you just create exchanges, go to the leg and say, oh yeah, let's eat this leg. I mean, anything you take, you bite the leg, a piece of it, and you keep the other one for them. You know what I'm saying? That's you cut out select pieces of meat, which is why you actually no go dey bad if you fit get person will go deal with you, do and that guide you do and that first time, tell you things where you go do. That person will just leave me do everything, but he go tell you the things where you go do along the way. You know what I'm saying? That for the first time. Then you just do create exchange finish, then you carry gunpowder, line for ground, create your own art, right? Now you and your own quality, create your own art. If not four, the number where they sharp for you. If not three, if not one line, you want the way you shape as arrow. If not gun, you want write for that place. You want draw with your all your gunpowder. That's your business, man. You know what I mean? Just you just do then you now see now Imago, you now close your prayer now. You keep your call there now. Na ha na bụ mmụọ gị na ọmakwa na ịbụ mmadụ na mmadụ ya bụrụ nwa na-asa n'afọ na ị na-amụ amụ na ya gbakwalụ gị ile ya mana gị nsọ ya overlook your defect human defect with that's edo right. Ọ na-eche gị eche aja eche ya nọkwa na gị ma were bie ụwa gị na n'ọma mbili ụwa gị not very we won't about project, you know. We don't talk all those things, right? Just you know what I'm saying? Right? You talk good, talk the you talk the chill, now talk the one we need do too. Because na reality, you get niggas who don't like you. You know what I'm saying? So you say all that and you say after you finish every prayer that you want to pray or praying for your family members, which you probably did when you were breaking cola. This is communion that you're actually sending your mom that they should still go and put eye for your own parents so, and your siblings or something, or your woman, right? The people that are under your kingdom, or women. So you now say n'ikpechi ha niile ife niile ikpe n'ikpe n'afa Chukwu na ndị a na gị na bụ chi gị. Na mmụọ ka ha niile bụ n'afọ ezumezu gị ka ikpe n'afa Chukwu na ndị a na mmụọ dị n'ala Igbo, because ọ mmụọ dị n'ala ka a na-ekwu, ọ bụrụ mmụọ eji ebute from South Africa, from India. The cliche ba. Ọ bụrụ mmụọ eji ebute from Ijebu Ode bunata n'Igbo, ọ mmụọ dị n'ala Igbo. So ọ chọọ ka Igbo dị mma, ọ bịala mercenary work n'ebe a, ndị ọma mbunyela gị ife na elu lọị. Because any mmụọ can give you money, but mmụọ dị n'ala Igbo no one bunye gị ife na elu lọị. That's ihe abụrụ dibịa ife inweta ife mmụọ Igbo ji enye gị. Ihe abụ dibịa, you no go just go gain, you know what I'm saying? You no go just go. It's not like one initiate thing like that. Like you have to have become a master of something. You have to have gained mastery of something. Yeah, dibia. You have to have gained spiritual mastery. Maybe you don't become the baddest. You know what I mean? Like maybe you just be so bad. I don't have anything to say. It's just my fucking opinion. That's the really important. Alex probably does not have anything to say. That is not his fucking opinion. He no mean shit. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. That's it. That takes the weight off my shoulder. What am I saying, fam? So after you finish saying all that, you say then you hold maybe the incense, maybe if you make that incense that you brought, man, you hold it to the edge of the fire or the gunpowder, right? So it's and you say things like belly no will open. Like say smoke gets a power. A thing you out and smoke and cobwebs, right? And that is it. You know what I'm saying? You now carry the rest of the meat and go and share to the people that are with you there for that salaka. And you now carry whatever it is that is remaining and go inside your house. That is when people finish coming back. It means it's not for everybody to fill their belly, it's for everybody to partake in the communion. That's the main thing. You know what I'm saying? Of that salaka. So that's something. But if everybody can fill their belly, love the love. If you can hold a community-wide salaka with I want to kill 5 cows for your chi because, or 5 elephants for your chi because he gave you $1 billion. Oh, yeah, I'm saying like unicorn, yeah, unicorn is for room track kill. Yeah, so that's it, fam. You close the prayer and you share the meat to the people with the drinks that remain. You use that drink when you were doing that. Take this cooked leg, you bite a piece, give him. Take this tail, you bite a piece, give him. Take this testicles, you bite a piece, give him, right? Or half, depending on how you pattern. So, yeah. And you do your exchange and you commune with your mom. That is what this Ichwaja is. That is the thing that you do on the English. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So that's it. How far the Holy Ezumezu streaming now? What is your opinion on the song? You know what I'm saying? How are you able to stream it endlessly? Is that happening? Is it happening that you are able to stream it endlessly? Like how does that song happen to you? You know what I'm saying? I'm asking for an insight now that I don't have. How does the song happen to you? How in the beat? In just did it. Like waiting the sock with the song. You understand? I'm fucking interested in the song. Like I need some fucking money, guys. So I want to know, like, wealth, not just money, right? So I want to know how the song they do, how in they do to you. You know, with my guy sings.
how many months now. I'm saying, and I'm saying, right? Like one of my day 1s, right? My day 1 eldership. Because in don't TV, you just come in when that thing they go up small small. When you just start to pop off, right? Mm. So how in day since all those months now, how holy is Ezumezu day to you? Yeah. Bless me. That's I would love to learn that. Any other question? Let me know. Yeah, this was unusual. Make it go more fashionable again.